Hey everyone, and welcome back to All About AI Tech. Today, we're taking off into the exciting world of aviation to explore how artificial intelligence is transforming every aspect of flying. Get ready for a high-altitude journey as we discover the groundbreaking ways AI is making air travel safer, more efficient, and let's be honest, way cooler. One of the biggest game changers in aviation is AI-powered predictive maintenance. Imagine this. Instead of waiting for parts to break down and cause delays, AI analyzes data from thousands of sensors all over an aircraft to predict potential problems before they even happen. This means airlines can fix issues during scheduled downtime, minimizing frustrating delays and keeping those planes in the air where they belong. And speaking of efficiency, AI is a master of optimization. Airlines are using AI algorithms to calculate the most fuel-efficient flight paths, taking into account everything from weather patterns to air traffic. This not only saves airlines a ton of money on fuel costs, but it also cuts down on carbon emissions, making flying a bit greener. Win-win. Now, things can get pretty hectic up in the air, with thousands of flights crisscrossing the skies every day. And that's where AI comes in to lend a helping wing to air traffic controllers. AI systems can analyze massive amounts of data in real time to help controllers optimize flight paths, prevent potential conflicts, and keep the sky safe and organized, kind of like an air traffic control superhero. Let's talk about airports for a second. AI is making those long lines and stressful security checks a thing of the past. We're talking about robots sorting luggage with superhuman speed, self-service kiosks that make check-in a breeze, and facial recognition technology streamlining security lines. AI is all about making your airport experience smoother and less stressful, so you can focus on enjoying your trip. But AI is not just about the practical stuff. It's also making flying more enjoyable. Think personalized travel recommendations tailored to your preferences, in-flight entertainment systems that know exactly what you want to watch, and AI-powered chatbots that can answer your questions 24/7. AI is elevating the entire passenger experience to a whole new level of comfort and convenience. Now, let's talk about some real-world examples of AI in action. Airbus, one of the biggest names in aviation, has developed an incredible AI co-pilot system. This system acts as a virtual co-pilot, assisting human pilots during critical flight phases and providing real-time decision support. It's like having a super-intelligent AI by your side, ensuring the highest level of safety and precision in the cockpit. And if you think that's impressive, hold on tight. Boeing is developing an autonomous air taxi that's straight out of a sci-fi movie. This electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft combines AI, electric propulsion, and autonomous flight control to create a whole new era of urban air mobility. Imagine hopping into an AI-powered air taxi and being whisked away across the city. That's the future Boeing is building. But it's not just fancy new aircraft. AI is also making a huge difference behind the scenes. Delta Airlines has partnered with AI experts to develop predictive maintenance models that have slashed maintenance-related flight cancellations by a whopping 98%. That's right, 98% fewer cancellations, thanks to AI. That's a level of reliability and efficiency we could have only dreamed of before. Now, here's a challenge the aviation industry is facing: a shortage of skilled workers, especially aircraft mechanics. With the rapid pace of technological advancements, finding and training qualified technicians is becoming increasingly difficult. But don't worry, AI is here to help. By automating routine tasks and providing advanced training simulations, AI is easing the burden on existing staff and accelerating the learning curve for new recruits. So, what does the future hold for AI in aviation? The possibilities are limitless. We can expect to see even more sophisticated autonomous flight systems, hyper-personalized travel experiences, and AI-powered tools that optimize everything from fuel consumption to air traffic control. AI is set to revolutionize air travel as we know it, making it safer, more efficient, and even more exciting.